Hi children, today you have to write Vyanjan. In first part we learned about swear. Today we will learn about Vyanjan. That is from Katugnya. How to write Katugnya? You have to learn here. First Ka. Ka say Kamal. Next Kha. Kha say Khargosh. Ga. Ga say Gamla. Kha. Ga say Ghar. Any. Next Cha. Cha say Chamach. Cha. Cha say Chatri. Ja. Ja say Jug. Here Ja. Ja say Janda. Yeah. Ta say Tomato. Ta say Tatera. Da say Damaru. Da say Dakkan. Na. Ta say Tarbuj. Ta say Taila. Da say Das. Da say Dan. Na. Pa say Patta. Fa say Fal. Ba say Bus. Bha say Bhavan. Ma say Machli. Next Ya say Yajna. Ra say Ravi. La say Laddu. Va say Vak. Sa say Shanka. Sha say Chatkon. Sa say Sampa. Ha say Hal. Ksha say Kshatri. Tra say Trisul. Next one, last one, Gnya. Gnya say Jnani, wise. Here, first one, Ka. Ka say Kamal. Kamal means lotus. Ka say Kamal. Kamal means lotus. Second one, Kha. Kha say Khargosh. Khargosh means rabbit. Next one, Ga. Ga say Gamala. Gamala means flower pot. Next one, Gha. Gha say Ghar. House. Next one, Cha. Cha say Chamach. Spoon. Cha. Cha say Chatri. Umbrella. Ja say Jug. Water jug. Ja say Janda. Flag. Ta say Tomato. Tomato. Ta say Tatera. Coppersmith. Da say Damaru. Drums. Da say Dakkan. Lid. Na. Ta say Tarbooj. Tarbooj means watermelon. Thai say Thaila. Bag. Da say 10. 10. Da say Dhan. Money. Na say Nal. Tap. Pa say Patta. Leaf. Fa say Fal. Fruits. Ba say Bus. Ba say Bhavan. Bha say Bhavan. Building. Ma say Machli. Here Ya say Egg. Ra say Ravi. Sun. What is this? La say Laddu. Sweet. Va say Vak. Crane. Sha say Shank. Sha say Shatcon. Hexagon. Sa say Samp. Snake. Ha say Hal. Ksha say Kshatri. King. Tra say Trisul. Gnya say Jnani, wise. These are the letters from Ka to Gnya. that is Vyanjan. Here how to join the two letters. In next video we will learn ka. First one is ka. What is this letter? Ka. Here you have to identify letters. Ka. What is this letter? Ka. This one ba. Join these two letters. Ka plus ba. Khab. Next one da. What is this letter? Da. Next this one sa. Da plus sa. Das. Ha. What is this letter? Ha. Ha plus la. Hal. This one fa. Fa. La. Fal. Ja. What is this letter? Ja. Ga. Jag. Ga. What is this letter? Ga. This one ra. Gar. What is this? Da. Na. Dhan. Money. What is this? Da. Ra. Dhar. What is this? Ba. Sa. Bus. Ta. Pa. Tap. Ka. Ga. Khag. Kha. Ga. Khag. These are the letters from Ka to Gnya. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.